Hello there and welcome. Today I'm painting a fluffy yellow duckling in ArtRage. But can I really capture this cuteness? Let's dive into the tools and techniques that will bring this little ball of fluff to life on a digital canvas. I'm using the ink pen, size approximately 20%, and I'm picking up the colour from the tracing. When complete, I apply a blur to the layer. The duck's beak and feet are painted and blurred in the same way. The duckling's head and body area are selected to keep the paint within the borders. The airbrush is now used to go over the duck's body and pick up the softer colours. It's an ugly duckling right now. I won't promise a swan, but it will get better. With the ink pen and eraser, I define the feet, then select and apply noise. This gives the feet texture. Back to the beak to pick up and define colour. Now going back to the body, I continue with the airbrush until I'm satisfied with the result. The eye is painted in and highlights added. Turning off the sketch layer, I apply finishing touches with the airbrush and tidy up the feet. Well, how did I do? Let me know in the comments.